Hi, I'm Bjarni.
I'm Sigurpáll.
And we are the Bagdad brothers. And I guess we just won the best live band of the year. I think what I enjoy most about playing shows is when you feel that the people that have decided to come out are also having a good time, and there's this connection that happens between us and the people that go there. And it's also really cool to see when people know the lyrics and maybe sing along to the songs. I still find that really cool.
Yeah, this year we played like 40-something shows. So
40 shows in less than a year. It's quite the achievement, I think. I'm quite proud of it, to be honest. But I think like my favorite show probably this year was at Hátíðinni in Borgarfjörður, which is like a DIY music festival at Postdaying, which is the arts collective that we belong to. We threw that in Borgarfjörður, and it was a really great time. And we played the set there on the Friday night, and it was just fantastic. We had like a full room of just friends having a good time. So that was really beautiful in my opinion. But also, I don't know, Airwaves was kind of fun.
Yeah, KXP.
Yeah, KXP thing was great. And then we also had this release show at Hurra. There's like plenty memorable moments this year.